और 12 के बजाय भी 10
बाकी और मजीद भी इशूज डिस्कस करने, लेकिन अभी आपको लिए चलेंगे चेयरमैन पीपल्स पार्टी बिलावल भुट्टो ज़रदारी इस वक्त तकलीफ से खिताब।
And that too is through public-private partnership. We have managed for the first time to exploit Pakistan's domestic resources with the Sindh Anglo coal mining company. That too is the largest and biggest public-private partnership in Pakistan that has attracted not only local investment but also international investment. And now we're looking to you to work with us and to help us in attracting the business community to invest in the infrastructure in our province. Because those of you from Pakistan here today will often hear me complaining in my press conferences and speeches that the Sindh government doesn't get the necessary resources. However, we don't believe in just complaining. We also believe in finding solutions for these problems. So while we will still continue to struggle for our rightful share of our natural resources, we look to work with the business community, with the private sector, in the public-private mode to fill the gap in infrastructure development, particularly in our capital city of Karachi, where we have a lot of potential for infrastructure improvement, and the government of Sindh, through its new administrator, through its investment department, through its local bodies department, are looking for partners to help us in improving Karachi's infrastructure. We're particularly proud of the 6 MOUs signed before you today, which shows that this conference in the UAE has already been productive. I'd just like to remind people, because I know you all watched the signings in front of you, but I just want to explain a little bit about what the 6 different MOUs actually were. One of them is the water MOU which you witnessed, which is going to be for a desalination plant in Karachi. And all of you must be aware that Karachi is facing huge water shortages, and this is just the start in what we're hoping will be a lot more engagement with the private sector.
बिलावल भुट्टो ज़रदारी तकरीब से खिताब कर दुबई में आपने मुलाहिजा किया। वापस आते हैं अपने प्रोग्राम पर और बड़ी अहम तब्दीली